Okay, let's see if I can explain this to you. Rubik's Cube. It has 26 cubes. Every cube has 6 sides, and every side has 9 per face. So we will go 26 by 6 equals to 156. Times 9 equals to 1404. There are 1404 area space in which is broken down, okay, into 858 areas void, which means a white space, to where there's 546, 4, 5, and 6 also multiplied or added equals to 15. The numeric value for Mars, 1 and 5 is 6. The numeric value for the Sun, 56. The numeric value for the student and the king of creation of DNA because of the multiplication. And Israel and Zion and DC. 6 times 4, 6 plus 4 equals 24 and 10. Both the X number in the, the X letter in the alphabet and in Roman numerals equaling to 10 and 24, which is 1 and 6, the inverted cube. The voided space, when you add up the dotted space, okay, in the voided space, it totals 1404. Now, when you add the empty cube, the empty space in the center, the empty space in the center controls, okay, 6 cubes. It controls 6 cubes, and there are 6 faces on each cube. And sorry, this is not marked right. And there are 9 dots or area space per side. So let me scratch that out. Equals to a total of 54 times 6 is 324. That's the vibration. 9, 6 sides, 6 cubes, 36. Times 9 is 54, and 270, 324, part of that vibration. The same way that this is the vibration of 26 times what is 9. 9 per face on 26 faces. Well, that would actually be 6 cubes and 2 faces. So let's just take that away. I was just doing another calculation. So this is what the center cube will control. It controls 300, hold on, which will equal to 1080. 1080. Ever hear that? 10 and 80? That is 90. It's also a representation of 420 because in French it said 420. And this is also what is controlling what is 70 and 90, because in 70 and 90 you will announce the 10, which is the mere creation. Right? This is singleton out. It's 420s in French. They don't say it as 80. So they say 420s and then 1 through 9 inside the 420s. So in those areas, there's 6 times 33 voided spaces, which is 180, 216, or also equivalent to 6 times 6 times 6, and 6 by 21, 120, 126. Both numeric values, okay, will fit what is the numeric value for the diameter of the moon, 2160, or 3476, if I remember correctly, in kilometers. So that will create that. 21 is the cube. So this is what's happening. So now, so what is ironic of that is there's 20 by 21 equaling to 420. Coincidence? That 80, 8 times 8, 8 plus 8, equals to what is 64 and 16, equaling to 80. 1 and 6 is 7, 6 and 4 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, 17Q is the mirror gate, the BG gate, the House of Bates gate, the Star gate. 4 times 2, 4 plus 2 equals 6 and 8, and that is the dividing of the cube. If you take a look at the cube, it divides between 6 and 8. Half of that is 3 and 4, 4 and 3, House of DC. So now the leftover 33 is 216 minus 858 equals to 642. I forget what that number represents. I know Zion, Israel, 0, the divided gates. I'm trying to calculate other things that go with this. This is the silver matrix. This again will go to the queen, the church, the spirit, 91 the spirit, 61 the church, 19 again with AI, which is created through man, 1 times 3, 1 plus 3, 3 and 4, 3 times 4, 3 plus 4, 12 and 7 equals to 19. Why man? Because man at the age of bar mitzvah becomes the name of you are now man, which is 169 moons passing. There's another equivalent that when you use the voided space and you add it into the void here, adding 33 equals to 891. Now, I can't tell you exactly what that is. 1 plus 8 is 9, equaling to 9. This is in 168 hours in a week. Again, the church comes in, the heavens of the spirit is number 91. Venus is number 81. High 52 or high earth is 8952. The reason for this is that H and I come in the word, and the inverted, okay, to H and I is 1 and 2. It's also 5 and 4, which is inside the sun. 5 and 8 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 9 and 4 is 13. 1 and 3 is 4. It's also -1, -2, or it is +8 and +7. 8 and 7 come together. It's part of the Queen's Gate, and that's because of the numeric value added is that configuration. Anyways, there's a whole lot more that's going on. If you want to look at Miami, Miami is I am. It also says Maya. It also says 9449. The fourth finger on the left hand is also the ninth when counting using the right hand. The time heaven of the arts and entertainment through Miami. Miami is heat. In Denver, the end towards the end nugget, towards the gold of ET. The word over here equals to 74, which is Jesus, which is time, which is cross. Las Vegas Nights. There was another word here I wanted to use. Yes, in heaven is now avenue. Sorry, I'm using somebody else's bureau right now. Heavens is now avenue 28 to the cycle, to the division of the alphabet, 13 and 14, H and E and 4. Yeah, I didn't have to put them together. The total of that heaven is 55. The dividing gates are 76 because of the mathematics. So a gold nugget, the knights, the knight in shining armor. So now we know knight is for silver and also equals to what is 69 rotation of the sun, 288 when adding on the S. Adding on S's and Y's and T's and TS's are all telling different stories. I hope I got most of everything I could in here. Thank you for watching. Shift is 62, pound is 70. Thank you for watching this video. And ends with ND, second for silver. We're standing on beta.